Hi everyone, let's code with Mohan. We'll see how to install Eclipse in Windows. Go to Chrome and search for Eclipse. Click on the first link. It will redirect to the official page. Click on the download button. Just scroll down. Again click on the download drop down button. Select download x86_x64. Now click on download for the exe file. Download has started. Click on open after the download is completed. Minimize the window. Eclipse installation has started. There are many IDEs available for the different languages. Select Eclipse IDE for the Java. The two checkboxes should be checked. Click on install. Then click on accept now. It is installing. Click on launch. Click on launch. The Eclipse application has started. Maximize the window. Close this. Go to file and then go to new and select Java project. Give a name to the project. Code with Mohan. And then click next. And then finish. Now go to the project, select src and new and create a class. Give a name to the class as Mohan. And also give package name, code with Mohan. Click on finish. Now type the main method, public static void main string args within the curly braces system dot out dot println within the double quotes write code with Mohan. And statement should be ends with semicolon. Right click on it. Click on the save option. Again right click on it. Click on the run as Java application. Here is the output. Thank you for watching.